Hi guys, how are you doing? Welcome back to my channel. This is Grace Jenga Amani. So today I'm going to show you a one-bedroom house. As you can see, this is the kitchen, and this one-bedroom house goes for 8,500 Kenya shillings. It is in Eldoret, in a place called California, Kimumu, on your way to E10. So this kitchen was the piping system was not so good, so that's why you can see water on the floor. And you can see it has enough storage area just down there where maybe you can put things. Sorry, I didn't open. We also can see some shelves out up there. Sorry about the floor once again. I think the caretaker needs to fix that problem. And yeah, those are the shelves. You can see a window. So this house is a ground floor house, and I think the way they have built it, you're able to get sufficient lighting in the house. You don't have to keep on your lights on all the time. So now this is the living room area. You can see it has one big window. The walls are painted pink, and from my observation, I thought it is very quite spacious. So it has a very short corridor on your way to the bedroom. Like I said, this is a one-bedroom house. I love the contrast of the pink and the blue. It has a socket area, and from my observation, I thought the room is not so big, but I don't know. What do you think? Comment down below at the comment section. Yeah, so I also loved the window. It allows natural light to come in to the room. So yeah, you can see the room. Yeah. Ni kadogo. Ni kadogo. So as you can see, we also now have the closet area. That's the closet area. I loved it. It looks a bit spacious, and the way they have just fixed it to fit in this small room, which is good. We have also the sink area. Like I had said before, they hadn't cleaned this house, so I think the previous tenant had just moved out. So you can see the bathroom and the toilet area are in the same room. I thought it was quite spacious. You can see the sink area. I only felt the only detail that was missing is a mirror just around that area. You can see the shower is hot. We have that heater. Yeah, and another thing that really excited me are the doors. So we have this wooden door, and outside we have this metallic door, so it enhances security, especially if you're a single person. Yes. So another thing is that the 8,500 shillings caters also for the water, so you don't pay for the water separately.
Hanging lights ni za kila mtu ama kuko na zingine juu? Ona zile. Oh, so watu wakifua wanakuja tu wanaanika hapa. Okay, sawa, asante.
So outside is carpeted, they have ample parking space and it's very secure. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please like, share, subscribe for the next video. Bye bye.